Good morning, students, and welcome to today's class. How are you? I hope you all are great. And this is your English class, as you know. And we have already been doing Unit 4, and we have finished our Section 1 in our previous class. So now today we'll begin with the Section 2. That is, you can see on the screen, it's written Advia. It's a very interesting story by Sigrun Srivastav, and it's about how a family responds to strangers. What difficulties we find when we face some stranger. That is, their language can be different from us, so language itself creates a barrier. And along with that, उनके जो appearances होते हैं, they can also be deceptive. ठीक है, मिसलीड कर सकता है अपीयरेंस. द पर्सन जो जैसा दिख रहा है वैसा नहीं है और जैसा नहीं दिख रहा वो वैसा होता है. सो इज इट फेयर टू जज अ पीपल बेस्ड ऑन देयर अपीयरेंस? डू यू थिंक सो? सो वील गेट दीज टू आंसर्स reading this story. That is, can language create a barrier, and is it fair to judge people based on their appearances? So with this introduction, now we'll start with the text of the chapter. That is, Tanvi says, forget it, Pooja, but I can't forget it. The memory of two men hitting car window, rattling the door, shouting, Advia, Advia still haunts me. Now what she says, Tanvi ने कहा, forget it, Pooja. Pooja, भूल जाओ इस चीज को, just forget it. But Pooja says, I just can't forget it. ये जो memory है ना, ये two men की, they are hitting the car window, rattling the door, they are shouting, Advia, Advia, it still haunts me. मुझे आज भी डर लगता है उस चीज से. I hadn't decided whether I liked Afghanistan or not. I knew my father did, though he had been here only for 4 months, working as an engineer at the Khanabad irrigation project. Now he says, I hadn't decided, मैंने अभी ये नहीं decide किया that whether I like Afghanistan or not. I knew मेरे father को तो पसंद है, हालांकि he has been here just only for 4 months and he has been working as an engineer at the Khanabad irrigation project. Now my brother and I had stayed back in Delhi with my uncle and aunt, and we came to spend our holidays with my parents in small town of Kunduz. Now he says, मेरे parents तो अफगानिस्तान में रह रहे हैं, but I and my brother, we both are staying with our uncle and aunt in Delhi. And we had come to spend our holidays with my parents in the small town of Kunduz, and it is not far from Russian border. And we had visited the historical place of Balkh over the weekend and were on our way back when everything began to oppress me. The stillness of wild rocky mountainside, bare of any vegetation, the ghostly craters of rocks and stones flanking the road. Now he says, we had visited the historical place of Balkh. And ये जो place थी, this Balkh place, it was like what? ये थोड़ी सी scary place थी. Why they were visiting that place on their weekend, and when they were on their way back, जब वो वापस आ रहे थे, everything began to oppress him. That everything began to make him feel uncomfortable. And जब वो वहां पे आए, stillness वहां के माहौल की, the wild rocky mountain side जो वहां का था, it was bare of any vegetation, कोई vegetation, कोई greenery, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ पत्थर पत्थर, मिट्टी मिट्टी, everything all around. Ghostly craters, बड़े बड़े craters of stones and rocks, they were flanking the road on both sides, दोनों sides पे. The dust and the heat, और हर तरफ dust, हर तरफ heat, everything like this was there. तो ये बहुत ही irritable हो रहा था उनके लिए. I felt uncomfortable, उसने बोला मुझे बहुत uncomfortable feel हुआ, and I looked at my brother sitting next to me in the car. And feeling uncomfortable, I just decided कि एक बार मैं अपने भाई की तरफ देखूं. So I just looked at him. He was sitting next to me in the car. Suddenly he puts into words what I had been thinking. Suddenly जो चीजें मैं सोच रही थी ना, उसने उनको शब्दों में बोल दिया. And what he said, look at this side, देखो इस side. Isn't it a perfect hiding place for dacoits? उसने बोला क्या ये आपको एक perfect hiding place नहीं लगती डाकुओं के लिए? My mother started and shot a questioning glance at my father, who laughed softly. मेरी मदर इस बात को सुन के मेरे भाई की हैरान हो गई. एंड एक सवाल वाली सी जो लुक होती है ना, लाइक मदर वाज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन फादर को, क्या सच में ऐसा है? हैव यू एनी इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग इट? तो वैसी एक ग्लांस दी उन्होंने फादर को. एंड हु लाफ्ड सॉफ्टली, और बहुत ही सॉफ्टली फादर ने लाफ किया. Without taking his eyes off the road before him, he said, बिना अपनी नजरें उस सड़क से हटाए on which he was driving the car, जो उनके सामने थी रोड, he said, I haven't been long enough in Afghanistan to comment on that. But from that, what I have heard from my colleagues and experienced myself, I gather the people of Afghanistan are rather friendly and hospitable. He says, मैं बहुत समय से तो नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे अफगानिस्तान में, but to comment on that, but from what I have heard from my colleague and experience, जो मेरे यहाँ पे हुए हैं, what I gather the people of Afghanistan, ये बहुत friendly और बहुत ही hospitable. Friendly you all know, सबके साथ बहुत जल्दी मिलजुल जाना, and hospitable is when a person has the quality to welcome and being generous to the visitors. तो वो qualities यहाँ के people में थी. I met his eyes in the rear view mirror. He smiled at me and added, oh, don't look so frightened, Pooja. We will soon be at Tashkurgan, and from there it is not far to Kunduz. And to change our mood, he suggested, why don't you all sing few oldies for me? Now, मैंने अपने फादर की नजर से नजर मिलाई in the rear view mirror, and he smiled at me and he added, ओ पूजा, डोंट लुक सो फ्राइटेंड, हम बहुत जल्दी ताशकुरगान पहुंच जाएंगे, एंड वहां से कुंडूज इज नॉट वेरी फार. एंड टू चेंज आवर मूड, फादर ने एक सजेशन दिया, एंड फादर ने कहा, तुम लोग कुछ ओल्डीज क्यों नहीं गा लेते मेरे लिए? ओल्डीज मीन्स ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स गा लो मेरे लिए. So we sang the oldies at the top of our voice in an attempt to drive the blues away, the blues and the dacoits. Now he says, तो हमने oldies गा लिए at the top of our voice, एकदम loud voice पे, in an attempt to drive the blues away, सिर्फ इसलिए जो डर था ना, the fear they were having, उस fear को भगाने के लिए what they did is, उन्होंने वो जो उनके पास में जो पूरा का पूरा उनके सॉन्ग्स का जो उनका प्लेलिस्ट थी, we can say the collections they have, उन्होंने वो पूरा का पूरा अपना कलेक्शन जो था वो वहां पे डिस्प्ले कर दिया. ठीक है, they sang it and the blues and the dacoits, and they were driving off everyone, the blues and the dacoits both, blues भी उड़ाने थे and dacoits, उनका जो डर उनके दिमाग में बैठ चुका था उनको वो भी निकालना था वहां से. Now further what they did, after the next bend, before the road began to rise, my father slowed down and brought the car to halt on the right. Now जो after the next bend जो आया, and before the road began to rise, इससे पहले कि रोड वापस राइज होने लगती, मेरे फादर ने स्लो डाउन किया एंड वो कार को एक हॉल्ट पे लेके आए ऑन द राइट. हम लोग डर गए that why he has stopped the car on the right side of the road, क्या हुआ क्या है, साइड में क्यों लगा दी गाड़ी, why has he stopped the car. ऑलरेडी डर रहे थे, वो चाहते थे as soon as possible they should cross the area, बट उनको वहां रुकना पड़ा, तो it was very much worrying for them. So nothing to worry about, he assured us. उन्होंने हमें assure क्या कहते हैं, nothing to worry about, डरो मत. I am checking the real wheels, and he got out of the car. उन्होंने बोला मैं just rear wheels को check कर रहा हूँ, are they proper? And he got out of the car. We opened all the doors and let in some fresh air. हमने दोनों दरवाजे खोल दिए and कुछ fresh air को अंदर आने दिया. But the air that entered was hot and dry. But जो air enter हुई ना वो कैसी थी, hot and dry. My mother picked up the flask at her feet and I wiped my forehead and with my handkerchief. I wished we were back at Kunduz and I could take a long cool bath. मेरी मदर ने फ्लास्क उठाया which was at her feet and मैंने अपना forehead wipe किया with my handkerchief because पसीना आ रहा था, because the air was hot and dry, and I wish हम लोग कुंडूज जल्दी से पहुंच जाए and I want to take a long cool bath. Do you want some water, Pooja? Pooja, पानी पियोगे? Asked mother. I nodded and extended my hand. मैंने नोट किया कि yes, I will, and I extended my hand while my eyes traveled past her. मेरी आंखें जो थी traveled past her up the road सड़क पे. And what I saw made me drop the cup. और जो मैंने देखा ना, मेरे हाथ से कप छूट गया पानी का. Water spilled onto my jeans and the matting of the car. Water spilled all around. Matting of the car, मेरी jeans सब गीला. Pooja scolded my mother. मेरी मम्मी ने डांटा. Pooja, idiot, grunted my brother. Brother चिल्लाया, idiot. What you did? He spoke in a rough voice. I continued to stare past my mother's surprised face at two men rushing towards our car. The taller of the two charged at us, while one limped behind awkwardly, their eyes glittering from under their soiled turbans, their ankle-length black coats and long-sleeved hanging. मैं देखती रही continuously past my mother's surprised face, दो men देखे मैंने, they were rushing towards our car. टॉलर जो था उनमें से ही चार्ज्ड एट अस, हमारी तरफ बढ़ा वो. द अदर वन वाज जस्ट लिंपिंग एंड ही बिहाइंड एंड इन वेरी ऑकवर्ड, अजीब से मैनर में. उनकी आईज ग्लिटर कर रही थी अंडर देयर सॉइल टर्बन्स. उनकी एंकल लेंथ ब्लैक कोट्स थे, लॉन्ग स्लीव्स थी विच वर हैंगिंग एट बोथ साइड्स, दोनों साइड्स पे, flapped around like them like the wings of some monstrous bird. जैसे कोई monstrous bird होती है ना, ऐसे उसके पंख की तरह. the sleeves were just flapping. They were coming straight at us. वो बिल्कुल straight हमारी तरफ आ रहे थे. I shrieked and pointed at them. I just shrieked and I pointed at them. Dacoits, dacoits, डाकू आ गए, डाकू आ गए. My mother turned around to stare at them. मेरी mother just turned around to stare at them, at the one swirling a stick above his head and shouting at Via. मेरी mother ने उनकी तरफ देखा, उनमें से एक stick को अपने सर पे swirl around कर रहा था and was saying Advia, Advia. I was shouting. My mother shrieked too. मम्मी भी डर गई. The flask dropped from her lap. और वो जो water flask था ना उनके पास में, वो उनके हाथ से छूट गया. Okay? So this was the entry of the two strangers, and what the strangers did, what happened, this we are going to do in the next class. So I hope यहाँ तक का you find it interesting and a curiosity create हो गई that you want to learn about more part of this chapter कि आगे क्या हुआ, आगे क्या हुआ. So एक curiosity develop हो जाती है ना, the things are very interesting. So now we'll continue this in our next class. तो आपको क्या करना है, till here just read it out, यहाँ तक इसको पढ़ोगे. If there are any doubts, we'll clear it in tomorrow's class. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye and take care of yourself.